Right, I don't know if you can see this. Yesterday I helped Jeff's on it, Jeff was working on this, and we needed to put the cable into the shift mechanism which is up here. We had to make a custom bracket because it was missing to hold that block on. You see, we've got a new bolt going through there. Well, we put a captive nut on the plate. I made the plate, the bracket. It was all trial and error. Jeff and I spent about 4 hours on that, you know, because it was really fiddly to get in. It looks really simple, doesn't it? But it was really fiddly to try and get that length correct, you know. It was all that messing about. Anyway, we got that done, and that was the night last night. Jeff stayed another night because this still wasn't finished, because we were waiting for this fancy exhaust. So Mark's decided to bolt on this, keep this V8, you know, this 300 TDI pipe at the back, and had this custom made in Sherbrooke. Nice job, very nice job. What was that, Jeff? That pipe, 850 bucks?
Yep, 850.
$850. Man, nice job though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice welding.
And it's all stainless steel.
All stainless steel. He just to say got it past that cross member, eh? In, you know, up here.
Yeah.
Just to say missed it. Anyway, it's done now, isn't it? But you've got a gap at the top, haven't you, up here?
It is big.
Yeah, that's
even
gonna,
with muffler body.
yeah, because these pipes are quite rigid, aren't they? These V8 pipes. This manifold.
Not much we can do.
No, well,
We can always.
he can put it. He can take it off and put it through a pipe bender and just give it a tweak.
How many days do you think that's going to take before we find someone that's able to do that?
Well, the guy who's made the pipe, surely he can do it. Actually, I've got a pipe bender downstairs, but down in my container, but I can't get the span
Yeah.
of that in. I can't get it in.
The thing is that the person who did the muffler is overbooked, it seems. So.
I would use that excuse as well. I can't see there being a rush for making $850 exhaust manifold pipes. Yeah, I think overbooked. I should use that one, Jeff. Apart from that, what else is there to do? The wiring works, doesn't it?
Tee up the wiring there at the side of the transmission.
Yeah.
So it doesn't get cut.
Because he had it started without the. You could start it with in gear, couldn't you?
No, I don't think so.
What? Yes, did he?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it started. So
he has to put his foot on the brake pedal to be.
You have to put it on the footbrake. Yeah, exact to shift it.
But you can start it in gear.
No, that's not good idea. Should be able to only start it in park and neutral. Anyway, I think that might just wrap this video up, this series, because it's running now, isn't it? It's all running in.
Yeah, it's supposed
I think is he going to take it away today?
He's supposed to tow it.
Yeah, because I've got that 109 to do. All right, well that's a wrap on this project. It's well, he's got to take it for a run up the road, isn't he?
Yeah. It's not the end of the day, believe me.
No. Oh, I've been down that road before, Jeffrey. Oh yeah, did we mention the other day about these anti-roll bars, the sway bars? Did we do it on video?
I don't think so.
Yeah, Jeff was going to put these sway bars, anti-roll bars on here, only to find there's no brackets on the axle. This must be a very early Defender axle, and it's got the narrow hockey sticks on there, you know, the radius arms, so it hasn't got the brackets on at all. It goes on here for the anti-roll bar, so you couldn't do that, and you didn't put the one in the back.
We're
missing the rubbers, weren't you? Oh, the bracket.
Yeah, the bracket and a roller.
We've got the brackets on here, because they're a 4-bolt on here. Why didn't you just drill 2 holes and put the 2-bolt brackets?
They are larger.
Oh, that's right.
To accommodate those 4 holes.
Oh, I see.
Don't get at the front.
All right, let's wrap this up.